The Waipara Wine Valley and Hanmer Springs. The Waipara Wine Valley and Hanmer Springs lie in the North Canterbury region. The Waipara Valley is specially recognized for wineries and is home to many award-winning wineries. Hot springs, local food and wine tasting is a recipe for an eventful yet relaxing day trip. Tours and walks, wineries and vineyards, lakes, day trips, food and drinks. It is all romantic, relaxing and adventurous. Entry to the gorgeous Waipara Wine Valley is free. A short drive from Christchurch, make sure to visit the Hanmer Springs and Waipara Valleys. It is a perfect day tour for relaxation and fun activities. The resort town of Hanmer Springs is an attractive year-round holiday destination for adventure, relaxation and indulgence. The hot springs at Hanmer Springs is well known for its healing and relaxing baths. This area provides plethora of options to people whose idea is not just lazying around. Few of the options include 1. Claybird shooting and paintball. Hanmer Springs Golf Course. Hanmer Springs Thermal Pools. The Spa Bungee Jumping. Jet boating. River rafting. Fishing for trout and salmon. Waipara Valley is a 45-minute drive from Christchurch. It is home to a dozen of award-winning wines. The rolling hills and great valleys is a sight for sore eyes. Sheltered by the Teviotdale Hills, the area is protected from cool winds but remains open to warm nor'westers. Perfect winemaking conditions. The valley has 3 sites: valley floor, hill slopes and river terraces. Hanmer Springs pricing: adult single entry, $25 New Zealand dollars. Adult return pass same day, $30 New Zealand dollars. Adult 2-day pass, initial entry and 1 return entry the following day, $43 New Zealand dollars. Private thermal pools, minimum 2 persons, includes use of outdoor pools, $35 New Zealand dollars, 30 minutes, $45 New Zealand dollars 60 minutes. Sauna or steam rooms, includes use of outdoor thermal pools, $35 New Zealand dollars, 30 minutes, $45 New Zealand dollars 60 minutes. When to visit: January to February and December. Timing: 10 o'clock to 1700 hours every day. Duration: 8 hours. Subscribe and follow Tripspell for travel stories. Visit tripspell.com to plan your next trip.